When you make a turn, the wheels on the inside of the turn have a slightly shorter distance to travel than the outside wheels, so the outside wheels need to spin a little faster than the inside wheels. Your differential compensates for the difference in wheel speed. There are front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive vehicles. Each type will have a differential between the wheels on the drive axle. All-wheel drive vehicles have an additional differential between the front and rear axles. Some differentials are fairly simple mechanical devices. Modern drivetrains have led to more sophisticated differentials with electronically actuated controls. Some vehicles use their differentials to direct torque to individual wheels to enhance handling and stability. Your differential is cooled and protected by special fluid. The differential is a high friction area, so it gets hot and bits of the differential components break off and can cause internal damage. This fluid needs to be changed as recommended to protect the differential. If you drive under severe conditions like towing, off-roading, or hauling heavy loads, you may need to change the fluid more frequently. Because differentials vary so much in their design, their service intervals can vary greatly. Check your owner's manual or with your service advisor about when you should have a differential fluid service done.